Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the signs and symptoms of copper deficiency. Copper is more than just a metal, it's an essential micronutrient crucial for our body's health. It's involved in enzymatic reactions, the formation of connective tissues, and even plays a role in maintaining the health of our nervous system. Let's delve into 9 common signs and symptoms that may indicate a copper deficiency. Fatigue and weakness. Copper is integral for energy production. Without enough copper, our body struggles to generate energy efficiently, leading to feelings of fatigue and overall weakness. Pale skin. Copper is involved in the production of melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. A lack of copper can result in paler skin tones, making one appear visibly less healthy. Frequent infections. Copper plays a vital role in supporting our immune system. Insufficient copper levels can weaken our body's defense mechanisms, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Brittle bones. Copper is essential for bone health as it helps in the formation of collagen, a key component of bones. A deficiency in copper can lead to brittle bones and an increased risk of fractures. Hair loss. Copper deficiency can impact hair health, leading to thinning hair or even hair loss. This is because copper is involved in the production of melanin, which gives hair its color and strength. Anemia. Copper is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen. A lack of copper can contribute to anemia, leading to symptoms like weakness, dizziness, and shortness of breath. Neurological issues. Copper plays a role in the function of neurotransmitters in the brain. Low copper levels can result in neurological symptoms such as difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and mood swings. Skin changes. Changes in skin pigmentation, such as patches of lighter or darker skin, can occur with copper deficiency. This is due to its influence on melanin production and distribution. Premature gray hair. As we discussed in a previous video, copper deficiency can lead to premature graying of hair. Melanin production relies on adequate copper levels, and a deficiency can cause the hair to lose its natural color prematurely. If you're experiencing any of these signs or symptoms, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and treatment. Boosting your copper intake can be achieved through dietary changes, including foods like nuts, seeds, legumes, shellfish, and whole grains. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure you're getting the right balance. Understanding these signs and symptoms of copper deficiency empowers you to prioritize your health. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from this information.